Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vietnam Step by Step. If you love exploring unique places and diving into the heart of Vietnam's culture, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to one of the most iconic spots in Hanoi, Vietnam Train Street. This isn't just your ordinary street. It's a place where the train tracks run right through the middle of a bustling neighborhood, with cafes, houses, and shops standing just a few feet away from the tracks. Intrigued? Well, let's go step by step to explore this fascinating part of Hanoi's history, culture, and daily life. So what exactly is Vietnam Train Street? Located in the heart of Hanoi, this unique street has become famous for its rare and exciting setup. Imagine this. The train tracks pass right through a residential area, surrounded by cozy cafes, local shops, and homes. It's not every day you get to see a train zooming by just inches from where people are sitting, eating, and chatting. It's a place where daily life and trains coexist in a way that's totally unique. The street stretches from Phung Hung to Le Duan Street, running right through a neighborhood where people live, work, and go about their day-to-day activities. But every day, several times a day, the quiet hum of the neighborhood is interrupted by the loud rumble of a train coming through. And then, in a split second, everything changes. The street empties, everyone quickly moves out of the way, and the train passes through like a flash of excitement. It's a sight that has captured the attention of both locals and tourists alike. The uniqueness of this location lies not just in the trains, but in how this area has embraced the presence of these giant machines. For the residents of Train Street, it's all part of their routine. It's a way of life that's become a symbol of Hanoi's charm, a blend of the modern and the traditional, where the old train tracks still play a role in the daily rhythms of the city. Now, let's take a step back and look at the history behind this incredible spot. The train tracks were first laid down during the French colonial era, back in the early 1900s. They were built to connect Hanoi with other cities and regions of Vietnam, playing an essential role in the transportation network. But what makes Vietnam Train Street so special is how, over the years, the area around the tracks transformed from a simple railroad corridor to a vibrant, living neighborhood. Over time, local people began building their homes, businesses, and cafes right next to the tracks, and the area took on its own identity. The trains passing through became a normal, everyday occurrence. It's a perfect example of how, in Vietnam, old traditions and modern life often mix together in unexpected ways. Vietnam Train Street represents the resilience of the local community, where people have learned to live side by side with trains passing through multiple times a day. For the locals, it's all about balance. They know when to clear the tracks for the trains and when it's safe to go back to their daily activities. It's a perfect mix of tradition, modernity, and practicality, reflecting Hanoi's ability to adapt and maintain its cultural identity in a rapidly changing world. Visiting Vietnam Train Street is like stepping into another world. Picture this. You're sitting at a cafe, sipping on some delicious Vietnamese coffee, and enjoying the bustling atmosphere around you. The street is alive with activity. People walking by, chatting, gatbopping, and enjoying the vibrant energy. But then you hear it, the sound of the train coming. Everyone starts to move. People step back from the tracks, the shops clear out, and the cafe owners quickly pull in their tables. It's a moment of organized chaos as the train approaches. And then, in a rush of air and sound, the train passes by just inches from where you were sitting, and everything settles down again as quickly as it began. It's an unforgettable experience that you can't find anywhere else in the world. For visitors, it's a chance to see this incredible part of Hanoi's daily life firsthand. The street is lined with cafes and local food vendors, making it a great spot to try some traditional snacks while watching the train come and go. You can also take plenty of photos and videos, but remember, timing is key. Be ready for the train to pass by at any moment, and make sure to clear the tracks when the train is near. Safety is important, of course. The trains don't stop for anyone, so locals and visitors alike make sure to clear the area before the train arrives. It's a well-coordinated routine, but it's still an incredible sight to see. So, Why is Vietnam Train Street a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Hanoi? Simply put, it offers an experience you can't find anywhere else. It's not just about the trains, it's about experiencing how a community has adapted and embraced their daily routine with the presence of the train tracks. It's a unique blend of old traditions and modern life, where history and culture meet the fast-paced energy of the city. Whether you're a train enthusiast, a photographer looking for a great shot, or simply someone interested in the charm of Hanoi's hidden corners, Vietnam Train Street is a place you'll never forget. It's a glimpse into a side of Vietnam that many tourists miss: the everyday life of the locals, the sounds of the train passing, and the energy of the community. You won't find anything quite like it in any other city. And that's a wrap on today's exploration of Vietnam Train Street. From the fascinating history of the train tracks to the lively atmosphere and the incredible experience of watching a train pass by, this spot truly captures the heart of Hanoi. If you ever find yourself in Hanoi, make sure to visit Vietnam Train Street. It's a perfect spot for anyone interested in culture, history, and experiencing the charm of the city in a unique way. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more of Vietnam's hidden gems, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Vietnam Step by Step. We've got many more exciting travel adventures lined up, and we can't wait to show you more of this beautiful country. See you next time for another step in your journey through Vietnam.